Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website for renewable energy consultant business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Click here. So here, enter your business type or your website type: renewable energy. So for example, let's choose this. Here, if you wanna skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds. Prepare in the dashboard. So give your store name, enter your store name or your business name, type any business name you want. Now let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Not yet. Now let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical products or dropshipping products, services, digital products, and print on demand products. Now let's choose them all. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. So design your site. Click here if you want to design the site. How would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now enter your information here: your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here, if you want to add social link. So now let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage. So for example, this. Now let's continue. Here, if you wanna add some page to your site. So now your site is up and running. Your site is ready. So if you wanna edit more your website, click here, go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. So here, if you wanna add elements, click here. So the first element here is the text, the theme text. Here you find the titles and the paragraphs. If you wanna edit your text theme, choose any one you want. Now let's move on to the image. If you're looking for something here, if you want to upload some image, if you want to import some image, here if you're looking for free Wix image. So let's move on now to the button. Also the button here, you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons and the image buttons, document buttons and the iTunes buttons. Here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your website homepage. Just choose any one you want and put it on your homepage. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find the strip elements: classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials, and theme. So if you want to add something, select and hold on it and put it on your homepage at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here you find the vector arts, the feature, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. Here you find the video elements, the video box and the video mask, transparent video. And now let's move on to the boxes elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the gallery elements. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, here you find the pro galleries or the guide galleries or the slider galleries or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menu and anchor. Here you find the same menus and the horizontal menus, and you find also the last here the vertical menus. So that's it. Now you find the in-page and navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last here is the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your website: the contact forms, the order forms, registration forms, donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. So if you want to add any of one of them at any place on your homepage website, and so this is how you have to design them as you like. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps. The last here is the chat, the Wix chat, and the line button. So let's move on to the video and the music. Here you find the video section. If you want to add some single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. And here the music section, the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player. And the last here is Spotify player and iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here you find the light boxes, and here you find the over boxes and the tabs. Here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters. So now let's move on to the list elements, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. So you have to add some repeaters on your homepage website. So let's move on to the embed code elements. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, and here if you want to edit your audio elements, here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the video dev mode. And here the last is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social media, the social bar. If you want to add some social bars, also here you find the Facebook link. If you want to add some Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and here also you find YouTube. So let's move on to the payments. To find here you find the payments button, the PayPal button. Here you find the payment forms, the pricing plans and the store. And let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog here if you want to share your expertise with and engage with your audience. And the last here the store if you want to edit your store elements, the bookings if you want to edit the bookings elements, the related elements, and the pricing plans, the events if you want to create and manage events, and the community. So here if you want to add a members area, and the last here is your designs. So that's it. If you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want to add on your home page. Now here if you want to add a page and menu, if you want to manage your page and menu, so here you can manage your page and menus. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design. If you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions, if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media and edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is about the ads and marketing. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website homepage, all you have to do is click here publish. You're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.